Crazy Creative Kitchen. Today easy recipe is pineapple stew chicken. So to make pineapple stew chicken, what you want to do, you want to season, wash, season your chicken, pretty much. And you know my season, I have that dry rub. If you need the ingredients for the dry rub, hit up the comment section and I'll drop it in the description. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to brown your chicken in a hot pan with oil. Brown them on both sides, then we're gonna flip them over, and then we're gonna add the ingredients for the pineapple chicken. So brown your ingredients, put them in a pan, brown them up, and then we're gonna go do our thing. So pretty much we've browned one side, now we're gonna brown the other side, and then we're gonna add our ingredients that's already cut up, already ready to go, and waiting for us to do that thing. So what we do is we add peppers, onions, the skin from your pineapple. That's what we're using today. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some soy sauce, some water, some gravy master, and some form of base or bouillon to your taste and your liking, and we're gonna pour that in our pan, and then we're gonna let it reduce, simmer, boil a little bit, and that's gonna be the sauce, FYI, the gravy for the dish. So thicker it gets, more tender your chicken starts to break down a little bit, your bones and your fat, and you'll get that nice thick gravy at the end. So it's a stew, let it reduce, and at the end you'll have your nice pineapple flavor, nice thick gravy, and a nice beautiful color, as you can see right there. You have some green in there, some red in there. Pineapple stew chicken. Hit that like button. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe.